Let's talk about drug court. You've just been charged with a crime: narcotics, possession of marijuana, possession of cocaine, Molly, ecstasy, whatever your drug of choice. You've been charged with a possession of a narcotic. You seriously should consider entering into a drug court diversion program. A drug court diversion program usually lasts from anywhere from 3 months to a year, with the potential of it lasting as long as 18 months, depending on what county and what the diversion program consists of. Listen, we understand as defense attorneys, if you have a drug addiction, that it's an illness and that you're struggling with it. However, you must realize that simply accepting a withhold of adjudication or being placed on probation rather than going through a drug court program is more likely to hurt your future. And what do I mean by that? If you're placed on probation and you have a drug problem and you use drugs again and you're tested and you violate based on failure to pass a drug test, there's a very high likelihood that you may go from that withhold of adjudication and a probationary sentence to possibly a jail or prison sentence, wherein you would also become a convicted felon. So I understand, and I go through this with clients on a consistent basis. Drug court can be difficult. If you have a problem, if you have that disease, whether it's alcoholism or whatever the drug of choice, and you enter into a drug court program, the drug court program is seeking to help you through a form of rehabilitation. However, a lot of folks say, you know what, you'll give me a withhold and a year of probation, I'll take that. I can't go through drug court. I can't just quit. You got to remember, drug court is meant to help you. They know that there may be some hiccups in the road. But if you're truly looking to change your life and to get clean, drug court can help you. Drug court doesn't guarantee that it'll help you. It's the person who has the addiction who makes the effort, the man in the mirror, the woman in the mirror who takes the time to listen and make an effort can beat this. However, if you simply just try to avoid drug court, you may very well likely end up in a more serious situation like jail or prison. Also, with a conviction on a drug case, you will lose your license for 2 years. So if you're arrested for one of those charges, a possession of any type or any drug charge, you want to confirm with your attorney whether or not you're eligible to enter into a drug court diversion program. Because if you successfully complete a drug court diversion program, your case will be dismissed. And if your case is dismissed, it may be eligible to be expunged. And a year after the fact, everyday folks, the public, may not know that you were ever arrested. You can get help at the same time you're preserving or you're enhancing your ability to make a case go away. Folks, consider drug court. I understand if you have a serious addiction that it may be tough for you, but what's even tougher for you is a conviction on your record. What's even more tough is sitting in a jail cell or a prison cell where you have to speak to your family through a glass divider. Think about it. Take the time. If you have questions, please call my office. I'm always willing to help someone if they have a drug problem. We want to help you. Okay? Best of luck.